rider from West Bengal, elite equestrian, Ved Sagar.
Arya incurred a total of 12 jumping folds in a timing of 23.79 seconds. Next in the arena is Ved Sagar on Cuba from West Bengal, elite equestrian.
The bell is given for rider number 17, representing West Bengal, equestrian, Ved Sagar, Cuba. Can someone beat the time of 15.03 seconds set by Yuvraj Singh Waghela? We have to wait and see. Team from Goa is in the lead. Currently has second and third place. Clear in the first three jumps. Approaching the one stride combination at 4. Jumps and he will be in the fight for the win. Nicely done. Now he is approaching on the speed round from 8 to 11. 15.03 is the time to beat. This is a fast horse. Strides. One more jump to go. Just the combination at 11.